OpenAI's new ChatGPT-4o is wild. This is big news as it's a new advanced version of ChatGPT and it's free. Now this new ChatGPT comes with the ability to do web browsing, attach files, data analysis, stronger and faster performance, and real-time interactions with audio, text, images, and video. Definitely making it a game changer in AI right now. Long story short, basically anyone can access one of the top AI models out right now for completely free without spending a dime. So recently, OpenAI provided some updates as to what to expect for the upcoming season. And one of the major updates was providing ChatGPT-4o for completely free. And for those who are wondering, hey, how do I get access to ChatGPT-4o? All you gotta do is open a web browser and go to chatgpt.com or hit the link below. So once you get there, all you would have to do is hit sign up. Then it's gonna prompt you to sign up with your email, Google, Apple, or Microsoft account. So once you're in, you get access to some new powerful free features. Even got people debating if they still need the paid version of ChatGPT. And this is why. You're gonna get the same level of AI with the GPT-4 that the paid version has. And remember, this is basically top level AI models. So we know with the prior ChatGPT 3.5 that it only had information up to a certain date. Now with this one, you're getting real-time information, which is a big difference. You're able to analyze and extract insights from your data, which basically means you can use data found through ChatGPT and create charts, diagrams, the whole thing. Or upload your data and create charts through ChatGPT, which could be useful for business owners, teachers, engineers, really for anybody that deals with information. If you have a picture you want to upload, analyze it, discuss it with ChatGPT, you can also do that as well. You can upload attachments or files. Let ChatGPT summarize it or analyze it or help you come up with more content around it. Either way, it's becoming your ultimate assistant. You'll also get access to the GPT store, where you'll find a various number of GPTs for each task that you need. And to close out the free tier, OpenAI also added the memory feature. This will give access to old ChatGPT chats that you want to use for the future. This will give you a more tailored experience and the ability to just pick up where you left off at, which to me will greatly increase efficiency and consistency while using this app. Speaking of app, here's a bonus. There's actually a ChatGPT desktop app. I'll actually be speaking on that in a later video. So I'm pretty sure you're like, all these free features, what's the point of paying? Well, there is a limit as a free user how much you can use ChatGPT. So ChatGPT Plus users or paid users get access to more prompts, upkeep, uptime, things like that. So if you plan on using ChatGPT a lot, part of your daily use or daily workflow, you might still need the paid version. Otherwise, if you use it for regular tasks here and there, you may not need a paid version of ChatGPT right now. ChatGPT Plus seems to also have improved AI understanding and faster processing times. You'll also be getting voice mode, which seems to be giving Siri a run for their money. Let's actually check out an example from OpenAI themselves.
Can you end the story, but do it in a singing voice?
And so Byte found another robot friend, and they lived circuitly ever after.
Thank you so much.
Overall, to me, this is amazing. OpenAI is making it their business to give more people availability to AI. Whether you're willing to pay or not, you now have access to a high-level AI assistant that can have human-like conversations with you now. That's a breakthrough. Now, if you'd like to stay updated on more tech news, AI tools, or innovation, or videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I got you.